Hello, I'm Jasmine, and today I will be presenting my research on the earthquake of Haiti, which occurred January 12th, 2010. When, where, why? On January 12th, 2010, an earthquake measured to be 7 to 7.2, lasting no more than 30 seconds, devastated Port-au-Prince, Haiti. And for reference, earthquakes that large in magnitude usually only occur every 10 to 15 years. Causes: Haiti rests on a transform boundary, and the buildup of pressure caused a rupture of the fault system known as a strike-slip fault. This resulted in the two major tectonic plates, which would be the North American and the Caribbean, slipping past each other, releasing energy, and this energy results in earthquakes. On the left side of the screen, I included an image that has an explanation for the transform fault boundary and the plates movement. Impact. Reports claim that over 200,000 people were killed, over 300,000 injured or missing, and more than 1 million people were left without homes. Around 3 million Haitians were affected, and the nation's capital, which is Port-au-Prince, being one of the areas most severely damaged. Port-au-Prince is the main port of Haiti and is the largest city and tourist attraction. The damage to this city caused social unrest and famine. The earthquake estimated to have caused over $8 million in damages. Environmental impact. Many structures, buildings, and homes were lost or significantly damaged. Roads were damaged and blocked by debris and wreckage. Many people were trapped and injured without means to escape or hospitals to access. Haiti was impacted with damage to water pipes, power, and phone lines, causing major communication issues. Communities in and outside the country came together in efforts to help with restoration. On a more happy note, my last little fact is after the 2010 earthquake, I personally sponsored 3 kids around my age at the time and paid for their meals, clothing, education, and basic needs, and I was able to write them letters and send them Christmas presents and really we got to watch each other grow up.